Are you looking for a career where you can make a real difference in people's lives while working with cutting-edge technology? Welcome to the Biomedical Electronics program at NMSU Alamogordo. In just 2 years, our program prepares you for a high-demand career maintaining and repairing life-saving medical equipment. From patient monitors to infusion pumps, you'll learn how these devices work and how to keep them running safely and effectively in real hospital environments. During your final year here, you'll complete a hands-on internship in a hospital or medical facility. This real-world experience is designed to help you build your skills, your resume, and your confidence before you even graduate. Graduates of our program are working in hospitals, surgical centers, clinics, and even with medical equipment manufacturers. Job titles include biomedical equipment technician, field service engineer, and medical device specialist. Demand continues to grow for this field across the country.
The BMET program, it piqued my interest because I was a F-16 crew chief. And then BMET was kind of similar. It's maintenance and inspections on hospital equipment. So I like to use my hands, I like turning wrenches, and I like having a purpose. So that's why I decided to go to school for BMET. So I did like the soldering class. It was really cool, it was hands-on. AC and DC circuitry was really cool too. It was a little more difficult and there's more mathematics behind it. I wasn't really expecting it, so it was kind of cool to see that. Digital logical was a fun class too. It's always going to be a need for jobs because it's the medical field and it's a huge, huge field. When I did my internship at the hospital, I didn't realize how much different type of equipment there is. You have the pump, the brains, then you have the ETCO too, and then you also have x-rays once you get certified, beds, you actually work on refrigerators and freezers too at the hospital, bed warmers, there's so much different equipment. This is the inside, so the tube goes across, gets inserted in. You have to replace the sensor because if it's not flowing right or it's too much, you could actually hurt the patient. So this is the sensor that you have to replace. There's so many of these pumps at a hospital, there's probably close to 100 or even more. So they're kind of a frequent inspection you have to do. And if it fails, depending on what it fails for, you have to replace it. A crack or breaks, you have to replace a lot of these hinges, this release mechanism, these teeth. Once I get my degree, I want to get a BMET position at a hospital. I want to get as many certificates as possible because the more certificates you have, the more things you can do. At the end of this summer, I should be done with my degree.
Our curriculum is designed to align with the National Certified Biomedical Equipment Technician, or CBET, exam. We don't just teach you how to do the job, we prepare you to get certified and stand out in the field. Whether you're starting your first career or looking to shift into something more meaningful, the Biomedical Electronics program at NMSUA is your path forward. Apply today and take the first step towards a future in healthcare technology.